Understanding Trust. A guide to losing someone's trust. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unravel its complexities. Today, we're exploring a vital aspect of interpersonal relationships, trust. Specifically, we'll break down what it means to lose someone's trust, and why it's significant in both personal and professional contexts. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, so understanding this concept is crucial for effective communication and relationship building. Trust is a belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's what we rely on when we open up to friends, confide in family, or collaborate with colleagues. Trust is earned over time and can be seen as the glue that holds relationships together. Without trust, doubts and insecurities thrive, making meaningful connections difficult to maintain. To lose someone's trust means that you've acted in a way that has led someone to believe you are no longer reliable, truthful, or worthy of confidence. This could be due to broken promises, lying, betrayal, or any action that undermines the foundation of trust that was built. Losing trust is significant because it shifts how people view you and often leads to strained or broken relationships. The impact of losing someone's trust cannot be understated. It can lead to a range of outcomes, including emotional distance. The person who has lost trust may become guarded or distant, protecting themselves from further disappointment. Communication breakdowns. Open and honest communication can falter, leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. Repair challenges. Rebuilding trust is a slow and challenging process, often requiring consistent effort and proof of change. If you find yourself in a situation where you've lost someone's trust, all is not lost. Rebuilding trust is possible with patience and effort. Here are some tips. 1. Acknowledge your mistake. Accept responsibility for your actions without making excuses. 2. Apologize sincerely. A heartfelt apology can go a long way in showing you understand the gravity of the situation. 3. Demonstrate change. Consistently show through your actions that you have learned from your mistakes and are committed to doing better. 4. Communicate openly. Keep the lines of communication open, and be willing to talk about the situation and your progress. Losing someone's trust can be a pivotal moment in any relationship, but it's not always the end. Understanding what trust means, how it can be lost, and the steps to rebuild it are crucial skills in navigating the complex world of human connections. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of trust and how to mend it when it's broken. Remember, trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair. But with patience and dedication, it is possible to rebuild stronger foundations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.